morning from Gapyeong-gun. It's a beautiful day and I just wanted to show you. This is where we're staying. It's a guest house and the owner is super friendly. One son, his name is. Here's the bikes here. They're parked up for the night. So they're nicely tucked away. So this is what's for breakfast this morning. Some toasted jam and leftovers.
No luggage, this will be fantastic. 40 kilos lighter. Not quite, 35.
Just on our way to Chuncheon. It's beautiful and quiet. It is a Sunday morning, I suppose. It's still reasonably early.
Just wanted to pull up and take a little bit of a shot of this picturesque lake.
Look at all these beautiful houses
area. It's very quiet today being Sunday. I don't know if that means anything.
Big train station on the right hand side here. Bukhangang station. Morning. Morning. Should have really said that in Korean, shouldn't I? Here's another beautiful suspension bridge. There's a lot of them here in Korea.
Just a brief little stop on the way to Chuncheon. The infrastructure in this country, like Japan, is incredible.
Pulled up here for a moment to check out directions.
So across the other side of the gorge here, we have this little tourist train that comes out of the last little town we were in. And the first train pulls up at those little shacks over there, and then you jump onto this other train if you wish, I suppose, and you go through these old tunnels. And I would be assuming that this used to be a main line of some kind, you know, maybe 30 years ago, 40 years ago.
I think there were shuttle buses that take you to the train.
Ah. But yeah, pretty cool little adventure for tourists. These little yellow flowers, don't know what they are. They're on a bush of some kind, but they're so fragrant. They fill the whole area with this nice scent. A bit of downhill. Joy, joy, joy. So we've arrived at the Gapyeong-gun National Football Stadium. Lots of flags showing all of the players. This must be the national team. They don't all look Korean, I don't think. Oh, here's a map of the town over here. Go and have a look. What do we have? Where are we? We are near the stadium.
Sports stadium on the right. Oh, there it is. It just blends in with the environment in the shade. Near the pasture. There's a little island in the middle of this lake where Legoland is.
Gets all the way up there.
It does.
Great big long
A lot
poles.
of people fishing here.
Great big long poles.
With very long fishing rods.
It doesn't really. Maybe they're just a pole only, and that's as far as it goes.
Beautiful spot here. Just cruising around the lake. Find somewhere to have a bite to eat.
Jumped off the designated path, which I think was really just a road, onto the lake bike path, which is pretty cool. Lots of people out and about. We had a brief stop over at the cable car centre, but we figured no, that's goes to nowhere really, and just to a lookout and back again. So we kept on moving.
Pulled up for some lunch. Driving's got a burger. It'll heat it up in the microwave.
It's got a double cheeseburger with pickles, and it went in for 2 minutes.
Got a coffee.
30 seconds too much.
And I've got a sandwich. Nice shady bit with the blossoms to the left.
Isn't this just a lovely path? This water drops off really deep from the very edge. This is all strawberries. There's been a few of these. Welcome to Chuncheon. We are going to skirt the lake around the main centre of town, which we won't see anything in the main centre. Find our way across the end of the lake somehow to go back to where we came from this morning. Oh, smell the flowers. Beautiful. 100 metres to the certification centre. Number I don't know what. Oh, they sell Coca-Cola. Okay, we are just getting back to the intersecting part where we split to go around Chuncheon. After this part. So we're here at the local supermarket and we still can't find any underarm. And this was a big supermarket, by the way. And we've got our dinner for tonight, some salmon sashimi and some mushrooms and some noodles. We're going to have a feast back at the hacienda.
He's trying to eat me toes. Get out of it. Don't eat me toes. No, no toes.
He's a friendly local. He's a bit too friendly.
He's trying to eat me bloody toes. It's like yesterday. He wanted to eat my... Hey, get out of it.
Here's the house cat taking a liking to
Yesterday.
to Crichton.
True that.
So we've made it back to the guest house. We arrived back about 4 o'clock. I'll show you on the map the loop we did today. And we went all the way here. Got to Chuncheon. It's a real touristy destination. There's Legoland on the little island here in the middle. And there's a cable cart that you can take up to a mountain. We didn't actually do that. And there's lots of water sports and all that. So we went all the way round. And then we went the same way back. So yeah, it was a good day. Tomorrow we'll head back the same way we came in, all the way, and we'll go back to the Four Rivers Trail and continue on where we left off.
Tomorrow we hope to camp somewhere here.
So Bretton's
My lover.
This is the house cat who's taken a liking to Crichton and is keeping us behind home. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you soon in another video.